It's quite different because it's not completely a scary film, and it's a very multiple mixed genre film. It's got edge of the seat thriller space going throughout the film. There's a graph that's progressing from beginning till end, and there are small jerks that keep coming and going in terms of romance, and there are multiple ideas which are just coming and going, which leave you, okay, what the hell is going on? You know, so that's the kind of treatment that we wanted right from the beginning. So it's quite different. It's been fantastic. It's the best I could have asked for, and I've only learned, and I still keep learning. Even this interview, I'm learning something. So I only keep learning throughout the entire process. So I've learned a lot. Okay, that's a long question. So 3D, it's something that's fascinated me from a long time, and the science of 3D is always fascinated me. So when I got the chance to make this film, the first idea that came to me, you know, the inception stage itself, even before I started cracking the script, was how do we make this experience much better and, you know, make it more an experience more than watching a film. So that was 3D. The answer was 3D, and so I think from then the idea started to make it a much better visual experience, and even in terms of sound, we tried a lot of new things. So that was the whole idea, and even the way we've shot, the way we've made these guys perform, it's I can easily call Pizza a very atmospheric film. Because you're always inside that space. It's a very immersive medium, 3D. So when you see 3D content, you're always inside that space, and you feel like it's happening alongside you, and you're moving with those things. So yeah, so it's a very immersive medium, and I don't know if this film is not in 3D. I don't know which other film can. He's got his idea of, he's very professional that way because he's a producer, he's a director, he's a director. So I've grown up with the whole team, the production team, so it's been great because you kind of know them. It's been a very comfortable setup for me. It's like more like working out of home, quite literally, they'll know. So it's been very comfortable for me to work with, very easy for my first film. The inception of the film started from there, and essentially what I've done is whatever we liked from the Tamil film, we've kept it the same, and it's got a fresh new take to it. It's not a frame by frame remake, and so what we've done is we've kept the skeleton of the structure and the skeleton of the film the same, but what goes into the scenes and what makes the film, in simple terms, the flesh and the characters and the plot, all that is entirely different from the Tamil film. The graph that it takes from beginning till end is entirely different. The way the characters behave is entirely different. And the way we shot, 3D itself is a new language altogether. So it will be a completely new experience even for people who've seen the Tamil film. So it's a whole new take.
Lots of reasons.
It's a lot of reasons, and it'll be the best 3D film best Indian 3D film that you would have ever seen till date, and hopefully it will set a benchmark for that at least for the next couple of years. And having said that, Pizza is the kind of film that you kind of want to experience. This is the kind of film that you want to experience more often after you watch the film. So I'm really hoping that I set the benchmark for 3D and this genre much higher than what the existing content is. And adding to the first question, I actually forgot to mention that we very consciously avoided showing a lot of sleaze, sex, nudity, and everything that goes with the usual scary film space in India. So we really hoping that audience appreciate that and watch the film. Give it a chance.